Scene script. Have you ever wondered what seasons look like on other planets, specifically on Saturn? Welcome to an astronomical journey that will take us millions of miles away from our home planet to the gas giant Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. When we think of seasons, we usually picture spring blossoms, summer sunshine, autumn leaves, and winter snow. But what about seasons on other planets? Do they even exist? The answer is yes, and they're as fascinating as they are different from our own. Each planet has its own unique seasonal changes, and today we're going to talk about one of the most intriguing ones. We're going to explore a special season on Saturn known as the spoke season. This isn't your average spring, summer, autumn, or winter. It's a phenomenon that's unique to Saturn, and its grandeur is as magnificent as the planet itself. But what makes this spoke season so unique? Well, we're just getting started. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of Saturn's spoke season. When we think of Saturn, we usually picture its stunning rings, but did you know these rings have their own special season? That's right, these iconic rings, a dazzling feature of our solar system's second largest planet, are not just static decorations. They are dynamic and ever-evolving, a dance of cosmic proportions. The rings of Saturn are primarily composed of countless particles, mostly ice, ranging in size from tiny grains to colossal chunks as large as mountains. These particles orbit Saturn, creating a spectacular disk that spans over 200,000 miles, but is only about 30 feet thick on average. Now let's introduce a fascinating phenomenon known as the spoke season. This is a time when mysterious radial features, or spokes, appear on the rings. First observed by the Voyager spacecraft in the late 20th century, these spokes are ethereal, ghost-like structures that stretch out across the rings, giving them an even more enchanting appearance. These spokes are believed to be composed of tiny dust particles, lifted off the ring's surface by electrostatic charges. They can span thousands of miles across the rings and last for several hours before dissipating. Interestingly, the appearance of these spokes is not random. They seem to occur more frequently during Saturn's equinox, when the sun shines directly on the planet's equator and the rings are tilted edge-on to the sun. Hence, the term spoke season. But what causes these charges, and why do the spokes only appear during certain times? These are questions that have puzzled scientists for decades, leading to numerous theories and hypotheses. And though we have learned much, the dance of Saturn's rings and the mystery of the spoke season continue to captivate us. Now that we have a basic understanding of Saturn's rings, let's explore the spoke season in more depth. Saturn's spoke season, a phenomenon as intriguing as its name, is a spectacle that leaves scientists and space enthusiasts in awe. Imagine a ringed planet, a celestial marvel already known for its beauty, revealing yet another mystery. This is the spoke season, a mesmerizing dance of ghostly radial features in Saturn's B-ring. So what exactly are these spokes? They are believed to be composed of tiny ice particles, each smaller than a grain of sand, that rise above the plane of Saturn's rings. These ice particles then spread outwards from this planet, creating a radial pattern that resembles the spokes of a wheel, hence their name. But the real intrigue lies in their ephemeral nature. The spokes aren't permanent features. They appear and disappear in a cycle that seems to be linked with Saturn's equinoxes. Here's where it gets fascinating. Saturn takes roughly 29.5 Earth years to orbit the Sun. That means it experiences an equinox, a moment when the Sun shines directly over the planet's equator every 14 or so years. During these equinoxes, the plane of Saturn's rings aligns with the Sun. The result? An exotic light show as the sun's rays catch the rising ice particles, illuminating the spokes against the dark backdrop of space. But as Saturn moves away from its equinox, the spokes slowly fade, disappearing into the icy rings until the next equinox brings them back to life. So we have a celestial spectacle that is both fleeting and cyclic, a phenomenon that adds yet another layer of complexity to Saturn's already intricate dynamics. These ethereal spokes, appearing and disappearing with the seasons, add a new layer of mystery to the already enigmatic planet. The spoke season on Saturn is not a constant spectacle. It follows a specific cycle that coincides with Saturn's seasons. Now, let's delve a little deeper into this fascinating rhythm of the cosmos. The cycle of the spoke season is intrinsically tied to Saturn's equinoxes. That's right, much like Earth, Saturn too experiences equinoxes, albeit at a different pace. You see, a year on Saturn is equivalent to roughly 29.5 Earth years. So, Saturn's equinoxes, the times when the sun shines directly over the planet's equator, occur approximately every 14 to 15 Earth years. During these equinoxes, the sun's rays fall directly on Saturn's rings, casting long shadows that make the spokes more visible from our vantage point. It's like the universe's own spotlight illuminating these ethereal features for us to marvel at. However, as Saturn moves along its orbital path, the angle of sunlight hitting the rings changes, causing the visibility of these spokes to wax and wane. But why is the spoke season more visible during some seasons than others? It's all about the angle. When Saturn is at equinox, the ring plane is aligned edge-on to the sun. This alignment allows the sunlight to penetrate and scatter through the ring particles, making the spokes more visible. In contrast, during Saturn's solstices, the sunlight hits the rings at higher angles, causing the spokes to become less apparent. Interestingly, the spoke season also seems to be linked with Saturn's magnetic field. Spokes tend to appear when the ring plane is tilted towards the sun and Saturn's magnetic field is pointed towards the rings. This further adds to the complexity and intrigue of this celestial spectacle. Understanding the cycle of the spoke season gives us a deeper insight into Saturn's unique planetary dynamics. It's a testament to the intricate ballet of celestial mechanics, a dance choreographed by the laws of physics, and a reminder that there is so much more to learn about the wonders of our solar system. While we have learned a lot about Saturn's spoke season, there is still much we do not know. The spoke season, a unique phenomenon observed on Saturn's rings, continues to be a subject of intense study and equally intense mystery. Scientists across the globe are working tirelessly, employing cutting-edge technology and brilliant minds to unravel these enigmatic occurrences. Let's delve deeper into the heart of the ongoing research. The spoke season has been observed to be a cyclical event, yet the exact mechanism behind its occurrence remains elusive. Researchers are focused on understanding what triggers these spokes and why they appear and disappear with such regularity. Is it due to changes in Saturn's magnetic field or due to meteoroid impacts, or does it have something to do with the icy particles Saturn's rings are made of? These are questions that scientists are still grappling with. Another captivating mystery revolves around the length and duration of the spoke season. Observations suggest that the spoke season lasts for about half a Saturn year, which is equivalent to approximately 14 Earth years. However, the exact duration and the factors influencing it are yet to be comprehensively understood. The study of Saturn's spoke season doesn't just help us understand more about Saturn, but it also sheds light on the fundamental laws of our universe. Each revelation, each piece of the puzzle that falls into place, takes us one step closer to comprehending the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the cosmic symphony they create. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what new mysteries we will uncover about Saturn's spoke season. As our journey through Saturn's spoke season comes to an end, let's summarize the key points we have learned. We've journeyed to the rings of Saturn, where the unique spoke phenomenon occurs. These ghostly radial features are composed of tiny ice particles, a spectacle that only shows itself during Saturn's equinoxes. This cyclical event, the spoke season, is a captivating dance of light and shadow, a seasonal spectacle that continues to mystify us. As we've seen, understanding the spoke season isn't just about the sheer beauty of these transient features, it's also about the deeper mysteries they hold. These spokes can potentially give us insights into Saturn's magnetic field, its atmosphere, and maybe even clues about the planet's internal structure. Ongoing research continues to peel back the layers of this cosmic enigma, and with every discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complex dynamics of our solar system. The spoke season on Saturn is a testament to the endless wonders of our universe, reminding us that there is always more to discover.